Hey, I'm Supats, lifelong solopreneur. Now living my life with only one passion to help solopreneurs to launch their digital products on fast track so that they can be profitable as fast as within 1 week, and they want to scale, they can join the membership. And as a bonus, I show them how they can sell their digital products all over the world using affiliates. Without further delay, let's get started. Today's story is really inspiring. It is going from it is going from bankruptcy to $1 billion. And this is a real story. You will come to know about this story. This story happened, all this bankruptcy and all those things happened in 2003, but now that organization is worth over billions of dollars. So from bankruptcy to billions, the Lego transformation that every entrepreneur can learn from. And this is very, very exciting. I'm just so eager to share with you, because if it worked for them, it can work for you too. Yeah, and it's a true story. You can Google it. You can find the details. I may not go into details of the Lego story because I want to tell you more about the points you can take away from this story and implement it to your business. If you are suffering right now, yeah, you may not be actually bankruptcy level, but hey, still, if your revenue is not really high, this will inspire you. Okay, so are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of running the business? Do you feel challenging to keep focus while exploring new opportunities? You are not alone. Many entrepreneurs, small business owners, and solopreneurs face the daunting challenge of balancing innovation with their core values. This struggle can put your success at risk, and there will be a way forward. Now, let me just tell you, if you are listening to me for the first time, who am I? I have walked in your path as a solo entrepreneur almost whole of my life with no sales, no partnership, and plenty of questions. Over time, by teaming up with right people and staying focused and turn my small idea into a dependable stream of daily income, and it's going on amazing really. So now my hard earned experience is why I help fellow entrepreneurs start their e commerce business, create digital assets, and profit consistently with affiliates. That is what my goal is. My goal is to help solopreneurs thrive their business, because most solopreneurs quit their business before launching their first product. Many entrepreneurs don't see second year in their business. Those who see second year, many of them don't see fifth year in the business. So I want to reverse that trend, because as a solopreneur, as an entrepreneur, even small business owner, you wear so many hats. So you should be rewarded. That is what I feel. It's because nobody understands a solopreneur. Only one solopreneur understands other solopreneur, and that's why it's my passion to help solopreneur to thrive their business. So at newbeginning.com, new is spelled NU. Of course, you can find it by profile. New Beginning. We are committed to supporting entrepreneurs at very every critical stage of their digital business, launching, scaling, and selling everything. So I share programs like Launch Your Digital Dreams in just 7 days or even less, and sell your digital products with ease of collaborations. So my team and I are dedicated to helping entrepreneurs achieve profitability quickly while selling digital products. That's our whole goal. Because I heard many times that, oh, in digital business, you can see money only in your third year. So I want to tell you, no, you can see your revenue coming in even in 7 days. We have case studies to prove that. So when you work with us, You are joining a supportive community where every step leads to practical results. What we offer: launching your digital dream in a week or less. This program guides you in creating digital offers that people truly want. Our Biz in a Box, yeah, that is our Biz in a Box, but we also have now AI in a box. So if you want to upgrade Biz in a Box to AI in a box, yeah, that option is also there. Setup enables you to quickly launch and sell your digital products with resources like sales pages, ready-made sales pages, complete marketing funnel. Yeah, people charge $4,000 just for one funnel. Here we give complete marketing funnels. You will be on the fast track to selling your digital products. You will discover how to package your expertise, whether you are interested in listening items on top platforms for selling digital products or exploring other sales avenues like Shopify, Etsy. There are so many other options. So, plus, we offer a comprehensive AI upgrade option if you need it. Sell your digital products with collaboration. Collaborations work so magically for solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners. Hey, they work for big businesses, so why shouldn't you try? And you can save your hard earned money. Yeah, there are expensive strategies like ads and all, but hey, when you start a business, many people don't have lots of money sitting in the bank to invest into ads, and ads can drain your money really fast. So collaborations work out really well. And when you come to know about the Lego story, you will see how the collaborations work for them and how they can work for you too. So if you are ready to scale, we will show you how thoughtful collaborations transforms sales and reach. Dive into effective partnership strategies that propel your products to audiences that you would never reach alone. New Beginning Success Collaboration Mastermind. Get the support you need for ongoing growth. Surround yourself with other solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, and have a mentor, expert who can look and take care of your blind spots and also tell you what worked and what didn't work so that you will have a shortcut to success. Now let's go into Lego story. The lesson of very simplicity and a persistence, consistency, and resilience. Lego, once on the brink of bankruptcy in 2003, turned its fortune around by simplifying its offering and focusing on what truly mattered. They realized that their core values, creativity, play, and quality, were the foundations of their brand. By honing to these principles, Lego not only survived but thrived, becoming a global phenomena. Let me give you the brief idea about Lego's story. In 2003, Lego was struggling with $800 million in debt and facing bankruptcy. This was due to diversification strategy that led to lackluster sales and heavy debt load. Yeah, there were so many stores and they were actually really facing lots of problem. I think they were losing something like $1 million per day or something like that. Now they decided to refocus on their core. The company shifted its focus back to its core product, the Lego brick, and simplified its product line. This involves streamlining operations and reducing the number of product categories. After that, they went for brand collaboration. See, collaboration. I always talk about collaborations. Now, let's see how collaborations work for Lego. Lego strategically partner with popular brands like Star Wars and Harry Potter, creating themed sets and resonated with wide audience. This is how they borrowed other people's audiences. Yeah, it worked for them. It will work for you too. These collaborations helped to increase sales and brand awareness. Customer engagement. Lego actively engaged with its customer base, launching platforms like Lego Ideas, where fans could submit ideas and have them potentially become official sets. This helped to foster a sense of community and loyalty. Customer feedback is so important. My whole business is shaped just on customer feedback. I told you that I wanted to help solopreneurs, and that's why I started blogging, because I thought blogging is the best way to provide free resources. And I got lots of traction on my blogs, and people say, "We love your blogs. Only thing, we don't have time to read your blogs. Why don't you start podcast?" So I started podcasting, then also YouTube channel. And I saw wherever the solopreneurs were struggling, I created offers around that. I saw people in my community were spending like 6 months in creating lead magnet. That is a 1 day job. So we created a done for you offer where, yeah, we will create lead magnet for you just within 6 hours. You don't need to spend 6 months. I saw people struggling to create e-courses, like years and years to create one e-course. And that's why we are offering private label rights products, where those are foundational products they can take and put their magic on it and rebrand and sell, or even master resell right products where they take the ready-made courses and just sell it and start making money immediately. If it is that is not their fashion, that's fine, but at least they have revenue coming in on a regular basis. Then of course, once one thing is on cruise control, they can focus on what they truly want to do. So customer engagement feedback is really important. Even if you want to validate your offer, feedback is important. Just do the market research, just see how much demand is there and go from there. Then they also change the leadership. So new CEO played a crucial role in implementing these changes and turning the company around. So results in 2015, Lego had become the world's largest toy company and is now a global powerhouse with multi-billion-dollar revenue. Yeah, you might be thinking it is a long way. It's they started suffering in 2003 and they saw the real results in 2015. But there is a lot went from 2003 to 2015. And when solopreneurs and entrepreneurs face these challenges, they may not even have that much of bandwidth to work on their business. So they work like 12 years, so more than a decade. And that's why most entrepreneurs don't see fifth year in their business. But you can learn from this and change your business for better. So this Lego story is very inspiring. I wanted to share with you and how you can transform your business. Actionable steps to transform your business based on Lego story. Identify your core offer. Reflect on what your business stands for. What inspired you to start? Define your mission and value clearly. Simplify your offerings. Eliminate unnecessary complexity. Focus on your best selling products and services. Streamlining your operations will save your time and resources. Personally, I love to create digital products and e-courses. It came very, very easy for me. And I realized within 6 months I was having like huge numbers of products. I cannot even count. I had a lot, and to market each product, I had to have a different marketing funnel, and I hired VAs, and still it was a lot of work. And then we just decided, okay, we will simplify our offerings. We will have just three stages where solopreneurs struggle the most. Solopreneurs struggles launching and creating immediate revenue. Then once they launch, they have a scaling problem because challenges are there and they need some help, someone who can navigate them through challenges. And many solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners, they are scared of sales and marketing. Means they have passion to create, but yeah, they are scared to sell. So we have a affiliate army over 200 plus countries who are willing to sell your digital product at a nominal commission. So we just simplified it. I had created like hundreds and thousands of dollars worth of resources. I put them in my mastermind. So right now, our new beginning success collaboration mastermind is loaded with 50,000 plus worth of resources. So in that mastermind, you can get access. And we recommend to join the mastermind at least for 1 year to see noticeable difference, because this is not for people who just tab in and access $50,000 worth of resources and leave. Of course, you can download those resources and hey, yeah, I'm not restricting. Hey, you want, yeah, within 1 month, yeah, you can download all that, but you are missing the point. Resources are there, yeah, everywhere. You open YouTube, there are resources. Resources you will find anywhere, everywhere. You are missing the magic. You are missing the magic of community. You are missing the magic of expert help. We have expert help available every week, where experts will be there. And it's not like a co-working, you do your work, I do my work. No, we have a co-creation lab where people get together and the experts will guide you to go through your challenges, will answer your questions. We also have weekly challenge, so you can even follow that challenge, and you will grow your business. Weekly challenges are there. We also have monthly master classes, and those monthly master classes, they are so powerful. And this time we have a monthly master class coming up about the goal and action template, and that is so result oriented. If you follow that template every month for 1 year, you will add one more digit into your revenue. So if you are stuck at 4 digit, you will, yeah, it has the power to take you to 5 digit if you apply that every month and implement. If you are stuck at 5 digit, then you can go to 6 digit. So that is what, if you are stuck at 6 digit, hey, of course, you know the math by now. So give yourself 1 year to see the noticeable difference, because if you just come, join the mastermind and download the resources, but if you don't implement and if you don't get the help, expert help, if you don't get the community of people who are in the same situation like you and they are overcoming challenges and growing, the things are not going to happen. And that's why I'm not restricting. If you want to join just 1 month and hey, download resources, hey, go ahead. But hey, that is not going to lead the transformation, because most people don't have discipline to go through all these resources. It will be totally overwhelming, because the expert will tell you what you need, what you don't need. So hey, I'm just telling you, it is a fact. Okay, give yourself at least 1 year to the mastermind to see the noticeable transformation. So, another lesson from Lego story: seek strategic partnership. Collaborate with brands or influencers that align with your values. This can help expand your reach and tap into new customer bases. Embrace innovation. When I started digital products creation, AI was not prominent. But when AI became prominent, my each and every course module, I added AI part into it because I wanted to stay with the trend. And now our initial core offer is business in a box, where we help you launch your digital business in 7 days or less. That core product is there, but then we upgraded. Now you can get AI business in a box. which can help you automate your business, which can help you create chat boxes, which will give you CRM where you can automate your email, everything, the full AI in a box. It is amazing. So embrace innovation. Stay open to new technologies and trends. Find ways to incorporate them into your business while remaining true to your core values. Engage with audience. It is so important. As I mentioned, feedback is so important. Feedback is important because then you are creating offers based on their needs. So this is a win-win situation. And remember, you are into business to serve your audience, to serve your prospects. You are not in the business to serve your ego. So when you engage with your audience, yeah, your offer is getting validated. Feedback is so important, and it is very easy to create win-win situation. So use social media to connect with your customers. That's a free platform, but there are many other ways. You can ask your subscribers. You can have a poll. There are so many things. I have a separate training just on market research. So share your story and invite them to be part of your journey. So they also will feel they are part of your innovation, and you can give them special deal. You can tell them, hey, I'm doing beta launch, so you will get this exclusive discount, or you can say founding members. And I created founding members for my mastermind because initially when I was just putting all my resources into my mastermind, I was really not ready with the site. So then I said, you become part of my journey. I created a wait list. I extended my wait list once, and then still the site was not up to the mark. And I said, I cannot keep on extending the wait list. People will lose trust in me. So I said, I became very genuine and authentic, and I told them, site is not ready, but that's why I'm giving you the founding member price, and this price is the lowest price you will ever see. You will never see lower than this, and you can become founding member so that you will have access. You can keep this price as far as you are active member. And as we innovate means you will get chance to give the feedback, so that we will make the changes in our mastermind based on your feedback. And you will get exclusive price, and people embraced me and they accepted it with open arms. So just be genuine, be authentic. People won't judge you. I think you are the one who judge yourself the most, because as a human being, we know every mistake we have done, so we are very judgmental for ourselves. But people are not. People are really open minded. People are good hearted. And if you are true to your core values, if you are not manipulating them, they will respond in exactly the same energy you are giving to them. What is the expected transformation from Lego Stories experience? By following these steps, you can expect clarity in direction, a clear understanding of your business goals. So, see, when I was talking to you about the monthly action and goal planning template, I I have a big template, but if someone doesn't want to go through the huge template, I have just three simple questions. If they ask themselves those three simple questions, and if they don't go through the full template, still they will move needle in their business. So the simple question is what I am selling, how I am selling, and what action I'm willing to take this month. So those three simple questions, even if you ask, because multi-passionate solopreneurs or entrepreneurs, they create so many offers and then they try to sell everything, so they're spreading themselves too thin. So if you just ask what is my core offer, and if you just focus on that, and where I'm getting the maximum returns, and you focus only on that, and if you set the goals true to yourself, you will see the transformation. So, clarity in direction, a clearer understanding of your business goals, increase customer loyalty, a stronger connection with your audience, and significant growth. The potential for your business is going to increase and it is going to skyrocket. So, just like Lego, you can rebuild your business block by block, transforming challenges into opportunities. Yes, you can do it. We can learn from this story and we can rebuild our business. So, even if you are not facing bankruptcy, but hey, whatever revenue if you are making, and if you want to increase your revenue, if you want to increase your impact, these are the lessons you can learn from Lego story. Just like Lego, you can rebuild your business block by block, transforming challenges into your opportunities. Yes, you can do it. Real success stories. Many entrepreneurs applied this approach and seen remarkable results. For instance, a small home based craft business focused on unique handmade items and streamlined its operations. Within months, they doubled their sales and built a loyal customer base. So I was a customer for this particular vendor, and she used to sit with so many things. She used to have necklace and earrings and this and that and everything. And she saw that most people are coming and they are buying. She had a special bracelet, and that was geared towards taking away negative energy with some special stones and gems and all. And she saw she was selling more of that, and people were not really going for necklaces and earrings and all. So she stopped the production of necklaces and earrings, and she just focused on bracelets. And now she has bracelets for various kinds of energies, and it's going on really well. And it simplified her work, and she knew that was the best selling product for her. So her customers are happy, she is happy, and she created more products, but in the same line of her core product. So another solopreneur partner with a loyal influencer and gain access to a wider audience and leading to a significant boost in online sales. And this lady also, I saw her going from 0 to 5 million in 2 years by doing strategic alignment with the software producer. So there are stories, and these stories are not people who are in my community. I'm taking stories from outside, but hey, they applied these principles. They may not know Lego story, or they might, I have no idea, but they did apply Lego story principles. You can do the same. Now it is your part. You take action. Join us. So, selling digital products made simple. Building a thriving online venture doesn't need to be overwhelming. Your approach shows you where you can find best platform to sell digital products and how you can earn money fast without cutting corners. If you are curious about Master Accelerate courses, we have a business inbox and you can upgrade it to AI inbox, and you can start your business and start generating revenue on fast track. If you already have a subscriber base established, yeah, with our strategies you can see money within a week. If you want to rebrand and sell, you can, hey, surely start seeing money in 1 month. But if you don't have any subscriber base, we will show you how even you can create a subscriber base using free and simple strategies like bundle and summits and all. You can create your email subscriber base, and it shouldn't take more than 3 months for you to see the revenue. These strategies are really proven. prudent with your investment. You really don't need to invest lot of money. These are the simple but proven strategies for quick revenue generation. Now you attended this live training, webinar, podcast, whichever way. Claim your gift. Attend our sessions and enjoy gifts valued of $600. Just go to our website newbeginning.com and details will show you how to redeem. So you are qualified to go and redeem your gifts. Join our free AI lab. We host a morning AI lab at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on weekdays. And we don't know how long we are going to host it, but right now it is on. So if you want, you are allowed to join only by invitation. So you send me DM or email or whatever way, and I will send you the invitation, and you can join us in our AI lab. Implement these strategies. Yeah, you don't want knowledge constipation. Knowledge is good only when it is applied. The tips and tactics from our programs are designed for immediate results. Start putting them into practice to see changes in your business right away. Connect with our community. Yeah, we have free and paid community. Free community is joint venture collaboration on Facebook and also on LinkedIn, but Facebook group is way bigger. We also have a free community Max 3R, and these communities are loaded with hundreds of entrepreneurs already willing to collaborate. And there are 27 ways to collaborate. That is the course I have created. There might be even more ways to collaborate, but I created a course 27 ways to collaborate, and you will like at least one or two ways of the collaboration because it's not necessary you have to implement all those 27 strategies. So surround yourself with like-minded entrepreneurs on the same journey. Together we transform everyday hurdles into chances of progress. So just basically, if you are looking for that free course, 27 ways to collaborate, again, let me know. I'll send you the link of that free course. Explore additional tools and insights at www.newbeginning.com. And by now, you know the spelling newbeginning.com. I aim to help you create better future in your digital business so that you can live the dream you always envisioned. And your dream, yeah, will be different from my dream. My dream was to travel with my husband because he loves to travel. Even I love to travel. So, and that is how I created that reality. Whatever your dream, I want you to live your dream because you are working hard, you are wearing so many hats. I really feel you need to be rewarded. Thank you and God bless you. See you tomorrow with a great tip again to move your needle in your business and so that you can grow with ease of collaborations. Thank you and God bless you.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. Jeremy L. says, excellent support and resources. The MRR Digitals provided me with the confidence and tools I needed to succeed in e-commerce. From day one, I was equipped to resell high-quality courses with excellent support and resources. My earnings have grown rapidly. This program really works.
Hey, thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you as part of our community, and whatever way we can help you, serve you, let us know. Please subscribe and let us know how we can help you, what resources you want. We have lots of free resources and also free collaboration joint venture groups you can join and explode your business because most solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first products, and I don't want that to happen to you. And that's why we have special launch service where you can monetize your digitals and become profitable as fast as within 7 days. And if you want to scale your business, join our membership New Beginning Success Collaboration, where we'll provide you MRR and PLR products and collaborations so that you can scale your business with ease and effortlessly. And hey, if you want to sell your digitals all over the world, yes, we will provide you affiliates more than 200 countries. So everything is possible. Just live your dream, follow your dream, and whichever way we can help you, do let us know. Thank you and God bless you.